Hey guys, today we're unboxing Jay's and
Move your feet.
Huh?
Move your feet so they can.
We're unboxing Jay's and Katie's.
Wait.
You unbox the Katie's.
You unbox them.
Oh, you unbox the Jordans. Alright. So first up we got
A size 2 KD8 with no paper.
yep, so
That's weird.
yeah, they didn't give the paper, but you can see that they didn't give us the paper. Alright, so
We're gonna keep this box forever.
yeah, he's gonna bring up one shoe, I'll bring up one shoe too.
Alright. Oh, they got the lizard skin and the silver stuff too.
Yeah, they got lizard skin and
The signature wiped off too.
yeah, they washed it off. They washed off the signature. So we got these and we have the box. Here,
Alright,
and
let's
all
go.
that stuff. Alright. He's unboxing the Jordans. Nice.
Alright, let's go. This is heavy.
Yeah, so the Jordans are heavy. Alright, see if they gave us paper. Yep, they
Yep.
gave us paper.
Pepper. They gave us pepper.
They gave us paper, so we never.
Wait, we don't know if there's a shoe in there. Oh yeah,
They didn't put shoes in there.
No,
I'm just kidding.
that's cool how they box them up though.
Alright, so we got some Jordans. Alright. That's what Jordans. Here. Inside no signature. Bottom and
Don't forget the tag.
yep, tag. No signature and they're a size 2.
We don't know if that's gonna fit though.
Yeah.
Let's see. That don't fit.
Yeah, so he might have to get a 2.5. He doesn't want to bring it back.
Oh, this is nice though. Or you get a new box. Yeah, a better box for you.
Because if you got a prep box, then you can have 2 boxes.
No, because I gotta take back the box too.
I know. Alright.
Put them back in the box.
Alright, so, well, that's it for today. So, hope you enjoyed this video. So, we'll see you guys later. Alright.
Peace.